Now let's talk about the oral suspension, like deworming your pigs orally. That is inside the mouth. You are going to use a syringe, and with the syringe, this is you use this without the needle attached to it. So all you need to do is sometimes on the bottle of the medicine, it is indicated that you shake before you use. So you shake it, ensure it is mixed, and then you tilt it to an angle such that this one can get into it. And looking at the dosage, maybe you're supposed to give 50 mils or 5 mil. All you need to do is, if it is 5 mil, you get a 5 mil syringe. You gently draw the liquid into the syringe this way, and let somebody help you with the pig. Then you open the mouth of the pig. Open it by pressing both sides. Mind you, I know people say pigs bite, so they are afraid of the pigs. Do not bite like that. So just be gentle with them. Press their jaws this way to ensure the mouth is open. Then you insert this one to the mouth. Okay, and then behind, don't just leave it the foreside here. Let it get inside. If possible, the back of the tongue. Then you press it there. Definitely they will swallow it. That is how you deworm your pigs via the oral one. Let it go inside deep enough. That's why you need somebody to help you hold them. And then you press it and deposit everything at the back of it, preferably behind the tongue, so that they'll just swallow it. For the others, you give because you don't want to stick to one drug, which can cause resistance. So you keep changing the drugs from time to time, from liquid to solid. If you understand, this is also a form of a dewormer like that, but this is a solid form. So you just dissolve it in water and then start giving to your animals. But for you to do this one properly, you need to ensure that the pig is very tasty, and then you can give this one to them, they will drink it well. So you give small amount of it, like the water they want to drink. You know, pigs drink a lot. So once you want to give the water to them, make sure this one is enough in the water, and then you initially put it there for them. They will drink everything all at once. Then you top it up so that they will clean the rest for you. But if you supply them with too much water and this, they might not take this one, or they might not take the right quantity. So always ensure that you take small portion of the water and then add the exact quantity of this. The pigs will drink everything. Go to the shops, buy them and look at the labels, and ensure that you go according to what is indicated.